Welcome to the third in this series of network routing podcasts. This time we're going to look at EIGRP, or the Enhanced Interior Gateway Routing Protocol developed by Cisco. EIGRP is more advanced than protocols like RIP. Only routing information that neighbouring routers don't have is shared, meaning less bandwidth is wasted. It's also better at working out the best route. It uses vectors like bandwidth, delay and reliability, in addition to the number of hops. We're going to set up the hardware in exactly the same way as before. These two routers are connected with a serial cable, and we'll configure them using the console port. So we're connected to router A, and the first thing we need to do is some basic configuration, set up all the interfaces. So we're just going to do that now. Config T, and we'll do the serial interface 0, 1, 0. Give it an IP address of 10.0.0.1. So you can see from that diagram in the corner exactly what I'm doing here. No shutdown. And I will do the loopback interface. Loopback 0. And give it an IP address of 172.20.1.1, and that's /24. So the subnet mask is 255.255.255.0. Okay, so we've got our interfaces for router A configured. Move on to router B. So we're just going to go ahead and do the same thing for router B. Enable config T serial 0, 1, 0 B 10.0.0.2 this time. 255.255.252. And loopback 0. You'll give this an IP address of 192.1.1 255.192. So now the interfaces on both routers are configured. So what we can do now is test to see if we can ping across the serial connection. So ping 10.0.0.1, which is the IP address of the other router, and you can see it's been a success. All that's left now is to configure EIGRP on these routers. So config T router EIGRP 30. Now this 30 is the autonomous system or AS number that you want to give it. So we're just going to give it 30 for this example. Network 10.0.0.0. So I'm telling it about that serial connection. I also need to tell it about that loopback address. So network 192.6.8.1.0. So EIGRP is configured on this router. You can do a show IP route, and you can see EIGRP. Switch to router A and do the same thing with that router. What we can do here as well is, for the purposes of demonstration, we can ping 192.168.1.1, which is that loopback address on the other router, and it will fail because the EIGRP has not yet been set up on this router. So config T router EIGRP 30 172.20.1.0 network 10.0.0.0. And you can see here straight away, it worked out that there's another router also using EIGRP on the network. And if we switch back to router B, we can see that it's discovered the same thing. So, go back to router A. Can do a show IP route. And you'll see that now there is indeed an EIGRP connection here. So we can go ahead and do that command that we did before. Last time it failed, this time it worked, because EIGRP is now set up. So that's all there is to EIGRP. Thanks for watching, I'll see you next time.